Hi, I got a range hood installed just the other day, and I like it fine. It's a range hood, what do you want? But I'm going to show you one thing that I don't like. Check this out, I'm going to turn the light on. Okay, the light's on, but it made a beeping noise, and another beeping noise. So basically, I can't turn on a light or turn on a fan without hearing this beep. And there's sometimes when it's dark at night and you want to, grab something from the fridge and turn a light on. This little beeping noise at midnight makes a horrible screech that just goes through the entire house. Why is it necessary to have a screaming beep when you're turning on a light? Shouldn't the light going on be evidence that the light is going on? Do I need a beep along with the light going on? It's kind of crazy. Same deal with the fan. If I turn the fan on, it goes beep. The fan is on. It's roaring. Do I need a beep to tell me that the fan is on? I don't think I do. Who thinks of these things? Beeps.